Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up GitHub repository and push VS Code into GitHub. Let's get started. Go to your favorite browser and search for GitHub. Select the first link that pops. If you do not have an account, click on sign up. Or if you do have an account like me, sign in using your email and password. Back in the VS Code, I have created dummy files for demonstration purposes. If you look closer at the bottom left hand corner, there's nothing called main. It says that our project have not connected to a GitHub remote repository. So go to your GitHub account repositories tab and click on new. Type the name that you want to give to your repository. Keep it as public, add a README file and click on Create Repository. After successfully creating the repository, you have to copy its URL. Go to Code and copy the URL. In the VS Code, go to Terminal and type these commands. These commands are needed only for the first time. I will include the commands in the description box. You just have to replace your GitHub username and GitHub email addresses. By the way, if you're thinking what are these GitHub commands, watch my GitHub video to get a complete idea. Then type git init to initialize a local repository in your computer. Then go to View, Command Palette, select Add Remote, give the copied URL and type the repository name. After you did that, you can see in the bottom left hand corner it shows as master. Change it into main. Then type your commit. Commit is more like a comment or a message. Then click on commit and push. For the first time, you have to authorize. Wait till the commits are pushed to your remote repository. Refresh your GitHub page. Now view, see what you have pushed. Connect for more.